this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money or withdraw money from Zleak. So what we want to do is just load up the Zleak application, then click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. From here we will choose the cogwheel or the settings in the top right corner, and I'll just pause. Okay, so after a little ad break, it's gonna look a little something like this. And here you should be able to see your total balance and your withdrawable balance. How this works, basically, if you play, then this balance, your playable balance, will become your withdrawable balance if you win, of course, and if you play and if you win. Now, if you wanna cash out, if you wanna withdraw money, you will click on transactions here and another ad, so just wait. So once you click on transactions, it's going to look a little something like this. It's going to show you all your transactions and you should see a cash out button. So just click on cash out, and this is where it's going to ask how much do you want to withdraw. And basically you set the amount and click on next. So here, if we want to withdraw $5, you'll click on 5 and then you select next, and it's going to ask you for your details, and afterwards you can withdraw this money, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.